prokaryotic cells. The main animals group of the prokaryotic cells are organisms, that is of blue-green algae, bacteria, and mycoplasma. These are the examples of prokaryotic cells. If we see the structure of prokaryotic cells, it is like this. The outermost boundaries of cell wall, or sometimes it is also covered by the slimy covering layers, and inside the cell wall the cell membrane is there. Cell membrane is made from lipid and proteins, but at some places the cell membrane highly enfolded inwards. This structure is known as mesosomes. Inside that, one without membrane bounded nucleus is there, that is known as nucleoid. Without membrane bounded structure is present, that is known as the nucleoid. In some bacteria, other than nucleus or nucleoid, one more circular chromosome present, that is known as extranuclear chromosome, and it is known as plasmids. In higher classes we will study what is the function of plasmid. It performs one more function other than other bacteria or other organisms, that is the plasmids. And one function of the plasmid, that it is work as a antibiotic resistance. It is work as a antibiotic resistance. It is other than the main nucleus, the extra chromosomal nucleus, which is known as plasmid. It performs many other functions also. Inside that, cytoplasm is there, which contain different cell organelles. This cell membrane contains different enzymes. Mainly the three envelope is present. Outermost, that is the cell wall, or outside the cell wall, that is slime sheath is there. Slime sheath covering is present outside the cell wall. Then after cell wall present, and then after cell membrane present. These three layers present in the bacteria. Aftermost, that is the slimy layers or slimy sheath. This slimy sheath is made up from glycocalyx. It is mainly, that is of glycocalyx. In some bacteria it is thin and others it is of thick. It is the slimy layer. Some types of components, it is slimy layer. The next layer is of cell wall, that is of made up from peptidoglycan. And then protein lipid cell membrane is there. These on the presence of these thick layer and thin layer, the bacteria is divided into two groups. These two groups is of gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. One scientist was there, that is the scientist Graham. He was find out the one staining technique of the bacteria. One staining technique. technique. Staining techniques means through stains we colorize the bacteria and observe under microscopes. Stain दे करके उसको colorize. So he colorize the bacteria initially. All the bacteria will take the color. After he wash, so some bacteria retain the color and other remove that color. Now what is the staining techniques? Initially he colorize them from crystal violet, then to iodine, and after that wash into alcohol. Some bacteria retain that color of crystal violet and iodine, and others lose that color. So the bacteria which retain the color, that is of gram positive bacteria, and the bacteria which lose the color, that is of gram negative bacteria. So on the basis of this staining techniques, the bacteria can differentiate into two groups. One is of gram positive bacteria and another is of gram negative bacteria. So that slimy layer, outermost covering and cell wall which retain these stains, according to which that bacteria will be differentiated into two groups. Now, inside this plasma membrane, innermost layer is of plasma membrane which contain enzymes. This is the cell membrane which contains enzymes also. This cell membrane contains enzymes that help in the respiration. That's why it is also known as respiratory membrane. That help in the respiration, means respiratory enzyme present with the cell membrane. That's why it is also known as respiratory membrane. And this portion which is infold inside that cell membrane, and this portion is called the mesosomes. And which is also known as mitochondria of prokaryotic cells. But it is not a mitochondria, it performs the function of like that. That's why it is the mitochondria. We also call mitochondria, but it is semicircular portion of the cell membrane which is infold inwards to form the mesosomes. Other cell organelles also present with the cytoplasm, that is of many ribosomes jointed together to form polyribosomes. In prokaryotic cells, that is of 70S type of ribosome is there, and then two subunits, that is of 50S, another is of 30S subunit present, that is of polyribosome, that help in the protein synthesis. These ribosomes help in the protein synthesis. Sometimes the filamentous structure is also present with the bacteria or prokaryotic cells. This filamentous structure is known as flagella. Flagella not contain 9+2 arrangement is absent in the flagella. 9+2 arrangement. What is the 9+2 arrangement? If you take the transverse section of flagella, in periphery, the 9 filament is there, and center 2 filament is there. Such arrangement is known as 9+2 arrangement, and this arrangement absent in that prokaryotic flagella. So 9+2 arrangement absent in the flagella. When the flagella is differentiated into three parts: filament, filament, hook, and basal body. filament hook and vessel body. It is divided into 3 parts. Sometimes resin absent, but more than hair-like structure is there around that bacterial cells, and these are known as cilia or fimbriae. These small structure, these are the known as fimbriae or cilia, which is around completely present around the prokaryotic cells. So it is the basic structure of prokaryotic cells, which is present in bacteria, cyanobacteria and mycoplasma. If we see the difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, this one is of prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So these differences are nucleus not bounded by nuclear membrane. Nucleus bounded by nuclear membrane. Nucleus called nucleoid, and here nucleus called nucleus. It contains one chromosome. One chromosome. More than one chromosome. Inside the eukaryotic cells, more than one chromosome is there. These 3 characteristics or 3 differences with the nucleus. Again, in prokaryote, histone protein absent with the chromosome. Histone absent in chromosome. Here, histone protein present with chromosomes. Histone protein, what is the histone protein? It is the basic protein, specific basic protein, which is associated with the chromosomes. Normally, the protein chromosome is made up from the DNA and protein. So, in that protein, the specific basic protein is there, that is of histone protein, which is not associated with the chromosome of prokaryotic cells. So, histone protein present with the eukaryotic cells, but absent with the prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells वो नहीं होता है. Now, other differences of cell wall peptidoglycan. It is different type other than the eukaryotes, other than different types of carbohydrates, but here cellulose, cell wall, cellulose, hemicellulose, peptic substance, आर देयर, सेलुलोज हेमिसेलुलोज पेक्टिक सब्सटेंस की सेल वॉल प्रेजेंट होती है. देन राइबोसोम that is of 70S type and which has two subunit, that is of 50S and 30S. Ribosome 70S type that has two subunits, 50S and another is of 30S. Here ribosome that is 30S ribosome is there and there is two subunit that is of 60S and 40S ribosomal subunit is there. If we see other differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic, that maximum membrane bounded cell organelles absent, like ER, lysosome, Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex, ER, mitochondria, etc. Here membrane bounded cell organelles present, membrane bounded cell organelles present in the eukaryotic cells. Here cell membrane contain respiratory enzymes. Respiratory, but in eukaryotic cells, respiratory enzyme present with mitochondria. Respiratory enzymes present with the mitochondria, but in prokaryotic cells, these respiratory enzymes with the cell membrane. If we see in cytoplasm, no differentiation is there. Means cytoplasm and nucleoplasm, no differentiation present in the prokaryotic cell, but in eukaryotic cells, that cytoplasm and nucleoplasm is differentiate. Cytoplasm and nucleoplasm is differentiate in the certain manner. And in prokaryotic cells, in phasila, 9+2 arrangement absent, and here in phasila 9+2 arrangement present. What is the 9+2 arrangement? I explain you right now. So that 9+2 arrangement present in this eukaryotic cells, but which is absent in the prokaryotic cells. And now that if we see the examples of prokaryotic cells, that is of blue-green algae, bacteria and mycoplasma. And examples of eukaryotic organism, that is the rest of the organism. These are the basic main difference between the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells.